Protector.net is an IP-based access control system designed by Hartmann Controls Corp for enterprise-size systems, but is priced competitively enough to compete really in any size system. We're a privately owned North American company that's been designing and manufacturing access control systems for over 20 years. We're experienced, but also a flexible young company with really energetic staff. Our cost-effective quality products consist of PoE edge-style door controllers that mount right above the secure side of the door, traditional style 12-volt powered 1 to 8 door controllers that mount back in electrical or IT closets, elevator access control, and generic I/O control boards. All these controllers connect back to our Protector.net software, which could be deployed on a local or remote server, hosted by the systems integrator, or hosted in the cloud with Hartmann hosted service. Our hardware and database are migratable between these different deployment models, providing maximum flexibility. Hartmann's company philosophy has always been to deliver a product that system integrators can install confidently, knowing that if the requirements and expectations of the customer change, then we can change with them. A couple of the ways we accomplish this is by having a fully open RESTful API along with our unrivaled scripting engine. With our scripting engine, we can implement almost any feature that isn't native to our product on the fly. Coupled with the expertise of our technical staff, Hartmann can provide you with custom features in hours. We'll show you more details on this in a few minutes. Having a great product is one thing, but being a company that our partners want to do business with is just as important. We're going to highlight some of the business benefits of being a Hartmann Controls partner. Our partners take pride in supporting a North American manufacturer. In doing so, our partners enjoy short product lead times, high quality components, and strong factory support. We're also very focused on our security division. Many of our partners appreciate that our profits stay in the North American economy, driving our R&D and continued expansion. We have a great track record of implementing our partners' feedback into our products. We have processes in place to take any feedback and feature requests, which are reviewed periodically by our research and development team. One of the best parts of my job is to reach out to clients and tell them that the new software or firmware feature they requested has been implemented. Our management is also very approachable and available to our partners for feedback and suggestions. Our customer experience has always been the #1 priority for us. Getting support when you need it is something we understand is crucial. That's why when you call Hartmann, you'll get quick turnaround times and a fast response. Our support staff know our hardware and software very well, with well-honed but adaptable troubleshooting methodologies. You don't get passed from person to person when trying to solve an issue. You get an expert on the phone every time who's focused on getting it done. In addition to our support, our partners appreciate our comprehensive collection of documentation, tutorial videos, cut sheets, specs, and training courses. Here at Hartmann, we produce both hardware and software. We'll summarize some of the advantages of this. We have full control over our hardware, which allows us to implement the features our partners want, as well as making our system work seamlessly. When an issue does arise, we are fast to fix because we have the source code for everything, as opposed to companies that farm out hardware and firmware development. This also enables us to be very cost-effective on the software side because we aren't 100% dependent on software revenue. Our most famous feature continues to be our action control engine. We call it ACE. It's an easy-to-use server-side scripting engine that gives the system the capability to do almost anything our partners need it to. We combine this with our well-documented RESTful API, which facilitates easy third-party integration. All software functions are available through this API. So that all sounds cool, but what makes that so important? ACE gives integrators the leverage to take on bids with more confidence and meet customer expectations that otherwise would have been impossible to meet. In today's era, we find that the needs of the end user aren't always well known until the system is already going in, or in some cases months after it's been installed. That's when the can it do this, can it do that conversations start happening. Without the ability to write custom features with ACE, a systems integrator can't meet the full needs of their customer. With Protector.net, system integrators can say yes more often to their clients' requests, which results in better customer relationships, more value-added services, and a stronger bid. Mobile apps for Android and iOS are available for administrators. You can view the status and perform override functions for doors, floors, inputs, and outputs. View live and historical notifications, execute action plans, and through our app, multiple deployment options are also supported. This mobile app, like our web UI, is built on top of our RESTful API.